How to fix Call of Duty WW2 error code 4128 on Windows. Fixes for COD PC players. 1. Log out of Steam and log back in. 2. Restart your computer. 3. Run Steam as an administrator. 4. Verify the integrity. Of your game files in Steam. 5. Clear Steam cache and cookies by launching Delete Web Browser Cache option and delete all browser cookies. 6. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 7. Remove and install your Steam client. Fixes for Xbox One players. 1. Sign out and back in. 2. Restart your console. 3. Update your console. 4. Reset your console. 5. Remove then reinstall your game. Fixes for PlayStation 4 players. 1. Log out of your PS4 and log back in. 2. Restart your PS4. 3. Update your PS4 system software. 4. Restore your PS4 settings to default.